Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to update Free Fire OB41. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily update your Free Fire. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, at the upper right corner, just click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, you can see over here settings. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings, you can see network preferences. Just click on that, and you can see app download preferences. You need to make sure it is on. Over data charges, you can see over any network, and you can see over here. Just scroll down, and once you scroll down, you can see about. Just click on about. Now once you click on about, you can see Play Store version. Update your Play Store to the latest version. So you need to make sure you are using the latest version of your Play Store application. So you have to click on update Play Store and then update your Play Store. Now once you are done with this, just search for Power VPN. So you can see over here Power VPN, and you can see fastest VPN. You can see over here. Now just download this application, and once you have, if you already having it, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So once you are done, just open your Power VPN. So you can see Power VPN over here. This is how it looks like. Now once you open your Power VPN, just click on the three lines over here. But before that, before you continue from here, you have to open your settings. So just open your settings and click on apps and notifications. Now once you click on apps and notifications, just click on application settings. Now once you click on application settings, you can see all your applications over here. So just wait for your applications to load and then scroll down. So now once your applications are loaded, just scroll down, and you can see Google Play services. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see storage and cache. Just clear cache and storage of Play services and go back to where you can see Play Store. Just click on storage and cache, clear cache and storage of Google Play Store, and once you are done, just go back to the Power VPN. Now once you click on the Power VPN, you can see the three lines at the upper left corner. Just click on that. Now once you click on that, you can see allowed apps. Just turn on this button. You can see over here and select Play Store. So you have to make sure you select your Play Store. So you just select your Play Store over here. So you just look for your Play Store. You can see Google Play Store. Select Google Play Store and go back. Now you can see server. You have to select your server to Indonesia. So you can see Indonesia. You have to use Indonesia 1, and then click on connect, and you have to connect to this VPN, and you can see this is a strong VPN, and that's it. Now once you are done, boom, the problem will be fixed and you can easily update your Free Fire. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video